But yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to nick the wheels off of this. Look how strange it looks. Hello, boys. Back in the unit. Doing some bits on this one today. Not actually for that car, but it's actually going to be some parts from this car are actually going to be going on Giuseppe, because no longer is Giuseppe's engine going in the E36. Now there is a bit of a story behind that, but long story short is I bid on something at auction that's got a much better engine and it's got turbo. It's actually got two, I think, and that is going to go in that instead because it will make it spicy. But yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to nick the wheels off of this for the E39, and we're going to be pirates, and we're going to cut the exhaust off, and we're going to cut the springs and dump it and just make it a cool VIP car. Because really, I think that'll actually just be really quite cool and funny, and it's just a really nice car, so it saves that. And people have pissed me around on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm going to fucking ruin it just to piss you lot off. So these are the Ling Long spec rubber and E46. My dad's Romanian and sold me for a packet of Chimesky shells wheels that are going to go onto this, which I think were on it at some point. But yeah, I'm going to go and eat a pot noodle quickly. It's now pissing down as well, which is lovely. Yeah, that's got my name on it. I'm going to eat that quickly, and we'll set you up on the tripod. Time lapse, getting the wheels off of this fucker, swapping them over. Then we'll move it out, get Giuseppe in. She's done, and now it's time to put it outside. It does look a bit weird. Look how strange it looks. Anyway, I'm gonna go get it out. I'm disappointed. I've took these wheels off, jacked up. Parker's lied, the centre bore is different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the fucking springs and deck it on the Giuseppe wheels, which to be honest, I kinda like them. Also, people have turned up. I'm gonna get cutting. Kind of fucked it by undoing the strut first because I realised you have to undo all this shit to drop the, you know. So now I'm going to try jack the fucker off. Yeah, this scares me a bit. Go on, girl, send her up. Best not be on a dust cover wheel. It's on a dust cover wheel. Yeah. Go on, no. Yeah. Go. What I'm going to do now is professionally cut the spring. Blimey. That's low. No. Look at that, get out of the way. Look at how low that bastard is. I'm gonna crack on, do all other three. Shuffle. All three other corners. And the exhaust. Oh my God. No, catch up. So as you can hear, the autism's got a bit high. I'm going for the rear spring. There is also now a hole in the exhaust. I'm not entirely sure how it's got there, but we're about to find out why and how it sounds. Oh my. God damn. So you probably just heard it's extremely fucking loud now. It is also currently on the floor. Not there though. I've now got to rip out the entire rear seats and everything to do that. But fuck me, it looks cool. I mean, literally, because I'll take the engine out of it, this literally could just become a show car. I'll get a new fender and everything, get all the bodywork nice. It'd just be funny. Yeah, with that, I mean, I'm just realising that it's now just coming up to midnight. I've been up since 5 AM, so I think I'm going to pick this up in the morning. I will catch up with you there. Well, that was disgusting, and it's now 2 days later. So, as I said, I'm actually going to get changed because I'm not working in fucking cream North Face bullshit. But yeah, that has got to go to the back, which I believe that it's not actually simple on these. I've got to take all the rear seats out, all the top, etc., just to get to the back of the strut. But, fucking hell, it even smells Italiano. Yeah, I've got to rip all of that just to get to the strut so that we can, you know, make it low. Haven't actually done this. I've done this on a touring, which is a lot easier because there's a big boot. Haven't done it on a saloon. This might be fun. Not really sure if that's actually a really good angle, so I might just slap it on time lapse because I'm also on my own, so no one's holding the camera, and I haven't a fucking clue what I'm doing. Not very Giuseppe inside here anymore, but we've got a load of stupid trim tool jobs. I hope I got that on camera. Well, that's gone forever. Not that I really give a shit. Because now I've got to remove all of this, including apparently the seat belts. And this. Apparently, I don't need to move that. That was a lot worse than what I thought it was going to be, but I can now get to the top of the rear strut, top mount. So, the next part is get the fucker up. I reckon undo the drop link, because that will be a fucking bell end if I don't. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get my gun or my ratchet on the bottom of the rear strut. That is really in the stupidest of places. Indeed, a 21mm though. Might be able to get my gun through there actually. Ah! So breaker bar. That's what I'm going to use. A breaker bar and a ratchet. There's definitely probably a much better way to do this, but because I'm on the floor, I'm a bit restricted. So it's going to be one of those. Yeah, and the gap I'm working with doesn't allow me to get the breaker in there. Okay, I can't get that. Fuck. Because he's not going to come out with a ratchet. So that's fucking much. Back to the drawing board. So we've had success. I put the jack on it to jack it up because it was an absolute fucking nightmare. But we're not too far off now. I just don't know where any of my bloody bits are. They're all in the car because I've now got to remove the arch liner up here, which is fucking filthy, may I add, because BMWs are not practical cars. Like that. Oh, look at it all. What I'm starting to believe is that nothing is as easy as it should be. It's really quite annoying having to pull an arch liner out of this thing just to do some dumb stuff with it, just to be able to remove the rear strut. It also right now looks ghetto as fuck. Forgot to film it, but one side is done. And now it looks incredible, like that man's hair. So it's taken about another hour to get to that point. I don't know what the fuck that is. So it broke off of it. I don't give a fuck. Go take the spring off, then I'm done. I think we can all agree it looks the fucking tits now. It might have killed me, but fucking hell, it was worth it. Look at this thing. Nah, mate. I don't think you can actually tell really. Oh, it's so low. So I'm gonna roll this over again. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow because I'm absolutely dead now and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, it literally needs the seats being put back in because that's a bastard. Chop the exhaust properly, then we can go for a spin. Giuseppe Bo is outside. Oh mate, I feel like we need to clean it as well. It's loud. Give her a rev, Wilbur. Yeah, this is epic. So put it into drive and then slide it over to manual. We'll foot on a brake, obviously, it's auto, isn't it? Then over and then down. There you go. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Oh, this is cool, man. Yeah, baby. So it's a bit low and a bit scary. Fucking hell, mate. It's kind of bumpy. We've gone like half a mile, if that. It's quite bumpy, as you can probably see from that, but it's fucking loud. Yeah, long story short, you can see Giuseppe has been an extremely successful project. Where we're going to go with it now, I don't really know. I'd like to make it a convertible, it'd be quite funny, wouldn't it? But I think that's more than enough on this video because it's been quite a long one. So stay tuned for the next video. You'll see some more on that and the E36 that's inside and the thing that I bid on.